Now, while your users need to be able to read it, you also need to be able to very quickly publish your content. With using Reach Docs, you're provided a control center that will allow you to manage your documents, view your reports, and adjust the settings. The process of uploading a document is quite simple. All you do is click the Add Document button highlighted on screen. It will present you with a dialog box that allows you to select your document on your desktop or anywhere on your hard drive. It will upload the document to the server, and it will add an entry into the list below. From the list below, you're able to do a number of different things. You can have the document within your library but actually turned off so that people can't view the document just yet. You're able to adjust the view that you'd like it to be oriented with. If you know that your document should be read as a single page and optimize that real estate, you can force it to open with that view. As well, you can see different metrics and statistics about when the documents were added, how often it's been viewed, and the overall size of your PDF. The next important key is the reporting. The reports are anonymous statistics sent by all of your readers every time they read your document. So as they're going through your document, you are able to go back and refine it to see really what content within the document is keeping your users engaged the most with your book or content. The screen allows you to drill down through the data. You can interact with all of the reporting to be able to select a specific document and pull a report on it, pull date ranges. You may have a specific date where you posted a bunch of new documents and you want to focus down on that initiative, as well as just interact with the pie chart and click individual documents that will explode out that view and break down the readership date based on page and show you how often and how much it's been viewed. The next product is Reach eLibrary. The Reach eLibrary it's an extension to the Reach Docs product where you have an entire archive of documents or many documents related to around multiple subject matters that are grouped together. The advantage of using the Reach eLibrary is it allows you to categorize your documents based on multiple metric or multiple criteria and search based on a keyword. Here you can interact with an online library and get an idea of how it works. Now, the library is done in such a way that you have multiple, when you add a document to your eLibrary, you're able to set up multiple criteria or categorization to each and every individual document that's posted. The interface allows your user to either input the keywords, the author of a specific subject that they know, as well as pick from the criteria defined by yourself to refine the center view. The central view is actually a thumbnail view or a list view of the documents that you're publishing within your content. So within hundreds of documents, users can very quickly, within a few clicks, be able to refine it down to 2 or 3 documents that it would be of use to them. When they found documents that they're interested in, they're able to pull up and view the document within a similar view as Reach Docs provides you on top of this view. Once they're done reviewing the document, they're very quickly and easily able to go back and open up the other sequential documents that are that match their criteria within the application.
That's okay. Okay. Sorry. So just to give you a little bit more information, Jason's given us a good overview of our key offerings in the Reach ePublishing family. Certainly you may have some questions based on the materials you saw, and I'd be happy to also provide you with some information about how you can access a trial account of Reach Docs and how you can access that demo for Reach eLibrary if you'd like to learn a little bit and play with those solutions a little bit more. Just to give you a little bit of information about Integration New Media and who we are, we offer these e-publishing solutions, but they're really just a portion of what we offer to our clients. We specialize in creating rich user experiences, and we've done that now for about 20 years. We started out in the early days on doing installed applications and CD-based applications, moved to DVDs and kiosks, and now the majority of our work that we do is working with clients to deliver rich user experiences online. And those experiences are for delivering content, for engaging clients, for selling products, and for even just showcasing innovation. We've got several clients that are bringing out really cool experiential kind of solutions to the consumer market, and that's really the forte of what we're doing in that market. But delivering content in a rich format that's got a highly complex database structure behind it is something that we've done for years for many different clients. And what we offer, if we look at what we offer, digital publishing products and e-commerce solutions are part of our core offering for our clients. And when we're talking about e-commerce, we're talking about selling products, but that could also apply to selling content if that's something that's a necessity for your audience. So certainly publishers are looking these days at how to make available back issues, and that's one thing that we can do custom work with clients to do as well. And when we're talking about the services we offer, we do custom software development, web design, and maintenance. We really focus all of our efforts when every product that we deliver on creating a unique and engaging user experience. That's really the key aspect of what we're focusing on with delivering everything that we do for clients. We also offer operation support, so we host solutions. We're very much a software as a services company for a lot of organizations, and we offer some marketing services and support as well for our clients that are looking to publicize the work they've done from a technical perspective. We look at who we do it for, who some of our clients are. In the publishing sector, the Taunton Press is one of our clients that we've worked with for several years now. We've also worked with organizations like Prima Games to bring gaming type content available to users in terms of guides and manuals, those types of things. INM Publishing locally here in Quebec is someone we've worked with quite a bit. Universal Music Group we've worked with on project type things as well. And then we've worked with organizations in the traditional technology, the manufacturing, the healthcare space, and the education sector. So we are really across the board of companies of all different sizes. We also do a lot of work for companies that we're their hidden secrets, so we're not able to share some of the successes we have with the general audience. But certainly we're very proud of the work we've done there. If we're talking about next steps, I think it's important to just showcase a few things that might be of interest to you here after the webinar. We've produced the business case for ePublishing white paper, which is available on our website, and we'll make that available in our follow-up email to you as well. That's a nice read, and it shows some of the information that we've shared today about ePublishing in terms of market share, in terms of challenges and evaluating solutions, etc. And there's a lot of those statistics from today's presentation that are part of that ePublishing white paper and our source there if you'd like some more information. As well, Jason and myself would be happy to book more of a one-on-one ePublishing assessment with you to talk about your specific needs and what some of the challenges for your audience might be. We're happy to walk through that with you and just provide some advice and guidance on how to get started with your project. We're also happy to offer you a free 7-day Reach Trial Docs account, or Reach Docs trial account, sorry. And 7 days is sort of our standard, but if you wanted a little more time to evaluate, just come through one of us and we'd be happy to set that up for you. And we can also send you the link for our Reach eLibrary demo so you can dive in there and do some searches and see how that experience is from a user perspective. So we're actually at the end of our content for today, and now we're ready to look at some questions and answers if you have some of those that you'd like to put forth to us, and get started with those.